Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hot chocolate using Hershey's cocoa powder. To begin, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of Hershey's cocoa powder, and just a dash of salt to enhance the flavor. For liquids, prepare 1/3 cup of hot water and 4 cups of your favorite milk. Finally, have 3/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract on hand for a delightful finish. Now let's get cooking. In a medium saucepan, combine your 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of Hershey's cocoa, and that dash of salt. Give it a good stir to mix everything evenly. Next, pour in the 1/3 cup of hot water. Continue stirring constantly as you bring this mixture to a boil over medium heat. Once boiling, keep stirring for 2 full minutes. This step is crucial for a rich, smooth chocolate base. With our chocolate base ready, it's time to add the creaminess. Carefully pour in the 4 cups of milk into your saucepan. Stir the mixture gently as it heats over medium heat. The goal here is to get it nice and hot, but it's important not to let it come to a boil. Keep an eye on it, and once it's steaming and thoroughly warmed through, remove the saucepan from the heat. Almost ready to enjoy? Now, for that wonderful finishing touch, stir in 3/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Give the hot chocolate a good whisk until it becomes delightfully foamy on top. This adds a lovely texture. Carefully pour your perfectly made hot chocolate into your favorite mugs. For an extra treat, consider adding a dollop of whipped cream or a handful of fluffy marshmallows. Enjoy your warm, comforting drink.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.